I told y'all I wasn't gonna fool with Walmart today. Oh, they 80% for their bell peppers. I'm glad I did wait. But I told y'all I wasn't gonna fool with Walmart today, but I'm an hour early. I'm an hour early for Bible study, so I decided to come on to Walmart and get the stuff that I needed. And get the stuff that I needed since I got an hour. As bad as I didn't want to be at Walmart. Was it meant for me to come on? Probably so. But we're supposed to be having some bad weather again Friday. So at least I already have my stuff and I don't have to get out in that rain. So Walmart, they got bell peppers for 82 cents. I'm glad I did wait because at the other store there was 98 cents or something like that. So I'm gonna get my bell peppers and I need to get some French bread. Let's see. I may get the sliced French bread. If they have it, please have the sliced French bread. They got sliced sandwich bread. I want the sliced French bread. This ain't the sliced one here. $1.47. Let's see. This is sourdough bread slice. It's $3.98 for that. Let's see. So they got some sliced French bread right here. I'm gonna get this one right here. $1.47. I wanted the bigger one, but they ain't got it. Maybe it's over here, but where I was looking at, they didn't have it. So they got carrots for $1.34. I'm gonna get me some of those. January 29th. Is that the latest date? 130. Just gonna get the January 29th one. Grab those. Alright, I wanted to grab some vegetables. I know I need some peas and carrots. Not the one with the corn. Just 98-cent one. So I'm gonna grab 98. These $2.28. I'm gonna get two bags of these because I may only just need 2. Okay, so then let's see. I think I want some broccoli. Not the cuts, the florets. Oh, the florets is $1.16 now. Cauliflower, broccoli. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I needed pie crust. Hopefully it'll be good in my freezer long enough. I'm hoping. But I do need me a pie crust. Well, a pie crust, not a pie crust. I need a pie crust that's deep dish. $2.54. I think I better hold out on the pie crust because I hate for it to get soft on me. And I can't, because like it's gonna be sitting in the car for a little while. So I need some hot wing sauce. Let's see. Some wing sauce. We got the Moors for $3. Great value lemon pepper wing sauce. No, I don't want that right there. What this is, medium wing sauce. We can do this right here. Great value. Okay, it's $2.12. $2.12 for that. So we're gonna get this. I needed some ranch dressing. Some ranch dressing. $3.58 for that. So Hidden Valley is $3.58. And this one here is $3.34. We're gonna get the classic. Cause that's just how we roll. Okay, so then let's see. I got some spaghetti noodles. Do I need any pasta? I don't think I need any pasta. I wanted to do, oh, you know what? I need to get some of this ground chicken over here. What else I need? I need me some of this ground chicken. It'll be all right in the car. January 17th. 17. So I needed ground chicken for chili. I needed one more for chili. 2 of them for taco. Okay, so I'm gonna get just 3 of them. That's good enough there. So I'm gonna get those. Bible study may only be about an hour, so I should be okay. I need to get some shredded cheese because I needed it. I think I need to get a big bag because I think I'm gonna need cheese for a couple of things. So we don't have any more cheese, so I'm gonna grab this here cheese for $2.68. The Velveeta slices. And then I'm going to grab the block of mozzarella. I think that's what I'm gonna get because I got a block of Kobe. So let's see, the block of mozzarella should be like $2, $3.68 for that. Cheaper than $7. Yeah, we're gonna get this here for $3.68. That's a 16 ounce, 1 pound. Let's see. 1 pound, $3.98 for that. And this is a 8 ounce. So for $2.22. So we're gonna get the 1 pound. So I think I'm gonna grab my husband some Kool-Aid. It must be over on the next aisle. I thought it was on this aisle. So I'm gonna get him like 2 grape, 2 blue raspberry lemonade, 2 watermelon, and a pack of the, what all come in here? Tropical punch, raspberry lemonade. Okay, you get how many? 4 of them? Cooking oil. Oh, I need to grab some let's see. I'm gonna grab some spray. Some canola spray. $2.52. I'm gonna make my own pancake mix. I need to get some vanilla. Did I walk past that? Yep, we're gonna make our own pancake mix, girl. I think I got some vinegar. What else? I definitely need to self-rising flour. Let's get some of this because I'm not sure if I got much of it. $3.24 for it. For the self-rising flour. And I need the vanilla. Where's the vanilla? Got to be back this way. Where the spices and stuff is at. Let's see. I found the vanilla. I'm just gonna get this little cheap little vanilla here, the one that's $1.46. It used to be 98 cents. I went up 46. Some more cent. Or however much more cent. Hey. All right. So let's see. I think I need some bread. Come on. I need some bread. You just put out hamburger buns? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Which ones you just put out? These. Okay. I grabbed me some hamburger buns. So I got my bread for my French toast. Let's see. Oh, I forgot all about my tortilla bread. That's what I need. I gotta go back here to the back. So I need to grab my, excuse me. Okay, so I need to grab my tortilla bread so I can make some kind of tortillas, breakfast tortillas, or some chicken wraps, or you know, something quick little, you know, meals and stuff like that. And I think I need to get up out of here because I'm kind of overdoing it now. Oh, you know, I need to grab some eggs because I really don't have many eggs for what I want to do. So I need to grab some eggs. And then I'm gonna get a bigger pack of the sliced cheese because I only got the 16 count. I need to at least grab the 24 count of the sliced cheese. So that's what I'm headed to get now. Eggs is back up to $13.58 for the big box of them. No. A roll of sausage is $3.97 for a roll. Alright, so thick and chunky salsa, $1.77. Medium, we're gonna get that. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna do some enchiladas or not. Let's see, they got, I may do some enchiladas, but I like the let's see. Okay, so here's the red sauce and then the green sauce. So I need me some, I'm gonna get 4 of these, 2 and 2. And then the it look like they don't have the taco seasoning. Oh, yes they do. $3.58. Get one of these. And then I like corn tortillas. I hate to have to go back. $2.84. We're gonna grab some of these here. Some corn tortillas. How many come in here? What's the date on there? February 25th. You get how many of these? 30. That's more than enough for me and babe. I need a few cans of tomatoes and tomato paste and stuff like that. Because like I said, I was making lasagna. But you know what? I liked these tomatoes. So I'm gonna get 2 cans of these. That's gonna be for the chili. That's actually fire roasted salsa. But it was good though. Okay, then, so where's the fire roasted tomatoes? It might taste the same. I don't know, but it was good, y'all. So I think I'm gonna get that. Tomato paste, let's see. 86 cents. Let's get just 2 little cans. That's probably all I need of that. And let's get, like, I see tomatoes done went up to 96 cents. They was 86. So let's get some tomatoes. Get a big can of tomatoes. I'm gonna get a big can. That's for the chili. Get that big can right there. Oh, I just got a can for chili, didn't I? I did. So let me see what else I need. We're gonna keep the big can just in case I made some soup or something. Okay, so we're gonna get a little can of regular. Dang, they 96 cents. These 96 cents, you make you want to spend $1.46. So tomatoes has gotten ridiculous, y'all. Okay, so we're just gonna get 1 little can of these right here. Ketchup. Oh yeah, I know we need some more ketchup. Let me see. We're just gonna go. Let's see. 194, 128, 128, 194. We're gonna go to 128. Oh, I got ketchup at home. Just thought about it. All right, let's get out of here because barbecue sauce. Just to have some on hand. All right, 148 for this barbecue sauce, 184. So we're gonna get some I want some hickory. Let's get the hickory smoked barbecue sauce. And that's gonna be it.